What's going on, everyone? Have you been thinking about or looking at the brand new Galaxy S10 from Samsung? I know I have. Go ahead and stick around after this amazing intro and we'll get to the unboxing. Welcome back to my channel, Easy Choice Reviews, where I do the reviews to help give you the easy choice. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Galaxy S10 from Samsung. I've been waiting since Thursday to unbox this. Before we get started, I want to let you guys know that I did change to the Sony a6400 instead of my smartphone, and I had the mobile smartphone rig with microphone on it. I've since found out that that does not work on the Sony a6400 connection, so I am going to have to go with like the Rode video mic or something like that. Go ahead and let me know in the comments below what you think of the audio now. This is the audio straight off of the camera itself, off the microphone there. Again, I don't have any wind or anything like that making noise because I'm inside, but I do want to know what you guys think of the audio on this. And if you have any recommendations on a microphone that can attach to this, go ahead and leave them in the comments below as well. Now let's get started. Okay everyone, I can't wait to get started on this. Let's go ahead and open this up here. I've been patiently waiting, like I said, for a couple of days now. Go ahead and get this open. There it is, the S10. I did not opt to get the S10 Plus because it was an extra expense that I did not see the reason for the cost. They do have an additional camera on the front, but it's not something that I think I will use. Looks like this is the SIM card ejector pin. Probably have an instruction booklet in here. Let's see. This does have a screen protector, but I have heard that it's not a very great one. It's more of a plastic one and can get scratched pretty easily. However, you have to be careful on the screen protectors that you do use, because I've heard that a lot of them have some issues with the fingerprint reading. Since this isn't an actual picture fingerprint reading, it's an ultrasonic one, which is actually a benefit that I see to this, not a drawback. But with that, you have to be careful on which ones you choose here. And here's a quick start guide, getting the most out of your phone, warranty information. I like the tab it's got on here to pull this up. That is a real nice phone. It's got 3 cameras on the back. You've got a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, a 12 megapixel wide angle lens, and a 16 ultra wide camera. With me getting into the photography side of things, this is supposed to be an amazing set of cameras on here, and I can't wait to start using them. And I do see, you can feel the screen protector that they do have on here. I am going to look at getting ghost armor or something like that, a little bit better to protect this, or maybe some glass. So if you guys have any specific glasses that you recommend to put on here that work, go ahead and list them in the comments below. We'll go ahead and let that start. We've got a SIM card here. I am using T-Mobile, so I'll have to get that set up. You've got your power cord here. USB-A to USB-C for transferring your files from your old one. Here's a USB-A to USB-C charging cable.
more easily by guiding you through the steps.
And a pair of earbuds from AKG. It's your standard earbuds that you're going to get. I'm going to go ahead and we'll break and we'll put the SIM card in and get this started. And then we'll take a look at it. Give you my first opinions of it. Okay guys, I went ahead and got this all set up, and I want to let you know my first impressions. I absolutely love this thing. I came from the Galaxy S8, and this is a nice upgrade. It's a little bit fast, a little bit snappier on the screens here. I don't know if you can tell there. One of the things that I do like is when you go into that drawer, you can go this way or this way, either way. I've heard some people that don't like it because they would rather the actual drawer go up and down instead of side to side, but I don't know, I guess that's what I'm used to, so it doesn't bother me. The one thing that does bother me is this camera right here, right in the front. It's rather quite large on that screen, and it's black. So you've got this nice, pretty AMOLED display that's infinity edge with a black hole in the corner. So that bothers me a little bit, but I'll learn to get over it. The back 3 cameras are supposed to be really amazing, and there's supposed to be some feature sets inside the camera that are really good for this phone. So we'll definitely put it to its paces and try it out. Another thing that I'm really looking forward to in this is the wireless charging. So I haven't gotten them yet, but I'm supposed to get the wireless earbuds. You can stick right on the back of here and charge your earbuds. You can also charge somebody else's phone, like if my wife's phone's dying, she's got the wireless charging on her phone as well, so we can put them together and she can get a little boost out of the battery for that. So as far as the color on the screen, very vibrant, very pretty. You can just see, I don't know, hopefully you can see the color that's coming off of that screen. You know, another thing that I am really looking forward to is this is supposed to have the wireless 6, the Wi-Fi 6, which is supposed to interconnect devices and get a broader range of connectivity. So I think that will help a lot with speed and distance of connecting things. So we'll see, time will tell. You know, after a few weeks, I'll go ahead and give you another update as to how I feel this phone is doing after that. Well, I look forward to doing the review on this and sharing it with you guys in a few weeks. So until then, I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. I want to send a special thank you to all my subscribers and sticking in there with me. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe below. Click the bell for notifications of future videos if you like this video. You can also follow us on Twitter at reviews_easy, as well as Facebook and Instagram at Easy Choice Reviews. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Till next time.